Hey Jack, come and have a look. I can't believe the bird is coming in here. This one's always scared, aren't you, Jack? Do you think there's a change in the air? Have you got new energy about you? What's going on? Mummy's making a jewellery. You don't normally come in here. You don't normally come in here. Where are you going? What do you think? Yeah. What's Jack doing? You wouldn't normally come in here when we're in here, would you? Where's Jack going? You going looking in the mirror over there? Jack, you going looking in the mirror? Oh, you're going for the plant. Hello, where's Jack? Mind you, we did give you a bit of Reiki the other day. It's for animals and plants as well. Jack, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hello? You going for a walk? Yeah? You gonna go and see Nana? Where's Nana? Nana's shouting you. Oh, he's going under there. See if he comes out this end. Oh, he's just had a roll on the floor. Didn't pick. Oh, where have you gone? Come on then. I'm not sure where he's gone. Oh, he's coming back. Are you coming back? You pitter patter little feet. Sorry, Mummy's got her stuff out on the floor and my foot spa. Oh, he's off, he's off, he's off, he's gone.